Hi guys, this is Aditya Dimbri. So, what's going on? Huh? So, how was your day? I hope, it went well, and I expect you to be at home and ready to watch my next video. So, today I'm gonna tell you about infographics. See, infographics, when we talk about, you must have seen bars and charts in web analytics or Facebook analytics. When you press the button insights in on Facebook, you get to see various charts and graphical representations of data, and as and when you see that, you immediately just information is pouring out of it. Easily you can make out, okay, this much percentage is girls, this much percentage is from visitors are from America, and they fall under this age bracket of 18 to 24 years. Those kind of things, the graphic. See, creative ideas and insights are driven in large part by numbers data. Today people are dealing with increasing amounts of data, right? um, when you go to a shopping center, you do a purchase, that creates a data. Okay, you make a phone call, that's creating a data. So everything you do in these life, it's connected to the information age, and that's just initiate the data recording process. So thus the need to present that information in a creative and compelling way is really important, and that's where infographics come into the scene. Now let's focus on infographics in detail. What I mean, what are infographics? Infographics are graphical visual representations of data used when complex information needs to be explained quickly and clearly. In our fast paced world today, infographics can be very useful and can help us navigate the information glut by conveying the hottest topics in a simple and concise manner. In advertising, like any good piece of information, um, or any, just like we communicate with our consumers, this can be used in a way to tell a story convincingly and enable viewers to easily digest the important information. That's what I was talking with you in the start of this tutorial. Now number two is the point where they are best used. Infographics are being used in all industries, including the media, in published works, in the mainstream and scientifically, and even on road signs. In advertising, data can be found in market research, campaign analytics, sales data, and social data generated by consumers. Infographics turn dull and boring numbers, various numbers, figures, uh, whole amount of data. If what statisticians tell, if the amount of data that is being collected today, if you just pile it along, if you convert it in a book by book, if you keep it one on the another, it will just fill the space between earth and the moon. you know it's that big amount of data. Although the storage cost has reduced and we are able to store it, and we will be able to store it in the future, right? So I told you, it turns dull numbers and make them alive. The growing use of infographics is being driven by the sophistication of the industry, the advancement of technology, and increasing interest and understanding of analytics. Now number three, I want to talk about what are the challenges. Like all statistics, data science and infographics can sometimes be displayed in a misleading manner. It happens, right? I mean, there's, you have data, you can present it in two ways. Even sometimes the wrong way looks right, and you will get wrong insights out of it. So if it's presented in a misleading manner, it can create a problem. And with facts being left out, or with a selection bias that can paint an inaccurate picture, it happens all too often. Too much emphasis is placed on the aesthetics over how effective the message is. When creating an infographic, first make sure that the information you are trying to present is clear and comprehensible to your readers. Then focus on the creative aspect. uh, I hope you're not getting bored. Okay, focus on this. This is really important, man. You can take that call later on. You can talk to your girlfriend later on. Okay, come back, come back, come back. Just few more minutes. Okay. Now, number 4, I want to talk about this infographics has got huge features, just like analytics, data analytics, web market research has got features. Infographics aren't new tool in advertising or communication, but they are the future. The best job in the next 10 years will be statisticians. Says this has been told by Mr. Hal Varian, chief economist at Google. Now, if he's saying this thing, the words have got huge amount of weightage. If you're a statistician, you will be having the sexiest job in the next few years. A new generation of data scientists has become highly sought after the proliferation of the information age. Today, data is being generated at an exponential rate with the rise of countless social media platforms. This is where data-driven marketing and analytics agency are bringing significant value to the next generation. They all are working on it. And last, number 5, I would like to talk about what are the tips for designing a great infographic. Creating a great infographic isn't too different from cheating a great ad. It starts from plotting the storyline and then creatively using images and visuals, which sometimes can be interesting graphics, symbols and metaphors, and they can be easily combined with the numbers. One has to an infographic should draw attention to the users, and should lead your viewers to read the connecting data to get the whole story. So that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. You will really think about it. If you just passed out from a B school, you can start planning your career in the field of analytics and infographics. It has got huge potential, and see, these words really mean. Alright, so best of luck for your future. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a great day.